guys, welcome back to Taylor Made TV. On today's video, I am going to show you how I make my shea butter. And so the first one, I am going to be using the olive oil, which is the extra virgin olive oil, first cold press. The next thing I'm going to be using is the sweet almond oil, which I don't have a whole lot left, so I may just use all of this. I'm not sure yet. And I did get the unscented base oil. This oil I'm going to be using is the Jamaican mango and lime Jamaican Black Castor oil, and so I'm going to use, I got this from my local beauty supply. I don't remember what the cost was, but it is the African Shea-butter. So as you see, the usage for it, you can use it for a lot of things. So let's get right into this video. And I'm gonna mix it here in my ceramic bowl. It's just one of my old bowls that I have around. So I'm going to mix all of my products in here, and then once I am done, I'm going to put it in my Ziploc little container. Okay, so for this video, I'm going to use my handy dandy blender. I've already opened it. I've taken the seal off. So I'm just gonna scoop all of this out into my bowl. Just like that. Let me, so just a little, there we go. So I'm gonna try to get all of my shea butter out. It is so soft, guys. I was thinking that it was gonna be hard, but it's not. It's so soft. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is pour 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I got olive oil. There we go. So I got olive oil, you can see it. I may do 1.5 of olive oil. There we go. And then the next item I'm going to do my, so I'm going to do a tablespoon, and this may be a little bit too much, but it's okay for me. We're gonna put that in there. And then the last item is my sweet almond oil. And you see how runny that is? So that's not heavy at all. I'm also gonna do a tablespoon of that. And I'm gonna pour that in there, just like that. And so now I have all of my oils, as you can see. I have my shea butter, I have my extra virgin olive oil, I have my sweet almond oil, and my Jamaican mango and lime black castor oil. And so now it is time to mix all of our ingredients together.